Hey, it's Dan McDonald. I got a profound video for you today. I'm just kidding. It's just some cucumber juice, man. Let's get it started because the cucumber juice, the thing I like about the cucumber juice is the anti-inflammatory and hydrating effects. And you know, it's also good for your hair, your skin, your nails. Can you dig it? A lot of good minerals in the cucumber. Very, very easy to drink. Very mild. And also what's cool about cucumbers is the low sugar. There's some sugars, so there is some energy in there for sure. But it's a much more of a mild sugar, so better for people with the blood sugar issues that are trying to flush the system out of all the junk that's keeping them from being able to have balanced blood sugar. One of the ways that you balance your blood sugar is by building muscle. The more muscle you have, the easier it is for you to burn up the sugars and utilize them. If you are kind of overweight and sedentary and you're eating, a lot of sugars, white sugars, carbs, and you're not building muscle and you're not getting physical fitness training, then you're going to have it's just more of the air-fuel mixture is off, is one way I like to say it. So you've just got too much energy in the blood and not enough places for it to go. That's why it's very important, and I need to take my own advice today. I went for a little bit of exercise this morning. I did a little workout where the market is in Princeville. They have a little workout. So I did some pull-ups, I did some push-ups, and some other stretching, but I didn't get much cardio today. So I think I'm going to bounce on the rebounder or maybe take a walk. It's a sunny day, but I just really wanted to make these videos. And I did harvest a bunch of fruit and stuff too. And I climbed a coconut tree. So I get quite a bit of activity even in my day-to-day, just kind of doing what I do, actually. But I didn't really get any physical fitness. So if you're going to eat, you got to make sure you get some exercise because your brain uses quite a bit of fuel. But in order to keep the system balanced, you've got to find some way. And I can't believe how many people resist exercise when I say, you got to get some exercise. Just tell me what to eat. Exercise, I can't, I don't, And I'm like, the ladies, well, how can I keep my hormones balanced, Dan? I'm like, lift weights. Oh, I mean, is there any other way? It's like, well, not really. I mean, so, it all just depends on what you want to do. Like, if you want to get healthy and you want to get rid of diabetes and you want to get rid of the blood sugar issues, you have to eat real food and then you have to exercise, And everyone needs to do that. You don't need to be a marathon runner. You don't need to climb a mountain every day or go to the gym, but all of it's really good. And I'll just tell you before I end this video on, cleansing, healing, regenerating yourself. You drink the juice. It's hydrating. It's mineralizing. It flushes all the junk out if you can stop putting it in. My message nowadays, my whole message is this. I'm a little extreme here, like, oh, you could chop the cucumber and eat it. Yeah, and I recommend that too. I'm a juicing fanatic, so when I make these videos, it's more like just me living my life. And then I have this content which isn't a waste. You know what I mean? Because it's like, oh, I'm going to buy these props so I can make Instagram shots or whatever. I don't do that. I just want the cucumber juice. So this will be ready tomorrow, this cucumber juice. So I got a quart here. I got this. What I love about these, this here has measurements. I don't know if you can see, but that there has measurements, and then this one has measurements too. And it says 1 quart, and then you go like that, and you're at 1 quart. And even though I've got a little bit left, I'm going to save this for the next juice, which I really wanted to do. But I wanted to get a quart. And then what I'm going to do, I'll show you a little tiny trick. This is a lime. I'm just going to use the littlest bit. I want cucumber juice, but I want to use a little bit of lime or lemon just to preserve it. let's say I don't get to it tomorrow for some reason because I have my whole fridge is full of juice. I mean, I got lemon ginger blast, I got all kinds of tonics and herbal tonics and juices. I got another juice coming. I got a watermelon there. So, you know, I can't always get to it all, but you know, the juices are good for up to 72 hours in the fridge. And so you can just, you know, they're some of them are better even, you know, they're fine even up to 5 days. But my personal limit's like 72 hours. But 72-hour old juice is better than anything you're going to buy at the store. You know, it's best to drink it right away, like drink it right now. That's the best, especially if it's winter. You don't want to, you want your juices to be like room temperature. See what I'm saying? So you don't get too cold. You'll be, oh my God, I'm freezing. But now, see, it's like a sunny day and 80 degrees because it's, you know, January in Hawaii while everybody else is having like catastrophic weather, you know. And so you would drink it, if you're in the winter, you would drink this now at the room temperature. You see what I mean? And then since I'm here and it's sunny and I'll be exercising, I'm going to go, you know, tomorrow is like the day where I'm going to get a whole bunch of fitness because I've been working, fasting, fasting, and I haven't gotten out and gotten any real champion style, you know, bike ride or a long ass hike or anything like that for probably about a week or so, you know. So I'm like, that's not going to work. I got to get out and get some fitness training, dude. So, cucumber juice, room temperature, or put it in the jar, which I don't even have one, actually. So I'll probably do that. Okay, that's amazing. Clean. Sometimes they get a little musty. But I'm going to just, that's my cucumber juice there for now. And then I'm going to put this in the fridge. And then I like it cold. I'll drink it like this. No doubt. No problem. 100%. You know what I'm saying? I will drink it like this, but I do prefer it after like a workout or laying in the sun, kind of cooking there, drinking the cooling, soothing, alkalinizing cucumber juice, which can help to, you know, with your joints. It can help with the inflammation. It's very soothing and cooling for gastrointestinal disorders, you know, for the Crohn's, the SIBO, the ulcers. Very, very soothing. You know what I'm saying? Just to put the fire out, because it's all the acids that build up that create the polyps, that create the inflammatory conditions with all the undigested proteins breaking through the gut wall and creating inflammation because the food supply is so whack. So you got to pay attention. You want to eat organic, whole, natural, plain, simple foods without all the stuff sprayed on there and added into it and mixed around and screwed up. That's kind of my message these days, you know. And I could do more whole food recipes, but I don't really eat that much. I drink a lot of juice. I drink 2 or 3 juices, and then I have a little bit of protein, fat, and greens at night to balance everything out. Then I do a yoga, go for a walk, meditate, and go to bed. Rinse and repeat. Can you dig it? Thank you, everyone, for watching this video. Get yourself hydrated so that you can stay motivated. Oh, we're leaking all over the place. Okay, DTM is out, baby. Rinse that off, and that is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you very much, my friends. We're going to stop at 911. Woo! 911. Take care of yourselves, y'all. Peace.